Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So a very exciting video because I'm going to talk about ticker symbol SST, and if you're following this particular stock, you know what happened yesterday. That stock moved all the way from $20 all the way over $30. Even today it was moving sideways on a very bad market, and again after hour it is up by 9.27%. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about the short interest. Some people are saying 400% short interest, very high cost to borrow fee rate, and very good candidate for short squeeze. So I think you will like this particular video, so stay till the very end. And also, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. And if you know SST, it was a nice stock because yesterday on part of our day trading strategy over our Discord, we entered right around 18.6 based on the pre-market price action, and it moved from that all the way to 100%. It came down, but still it was maintaining the same level, 18.6 to 19 area. Again, pre-market went up, came down, but entire day, even on a terrible red market, it was holding this particular area. And now I see it wants to go higher because currently it is over $21. So looks like this thing is ready to go over. So SST even was it was on our daily watch list over our Discord. You can see SST, the entry was 19 and so on, and looking very solid, right? Today one of the trade we did SBFM, from our entry it moved almost 50%. So anyway, it was a nice trade, and if you like this kind of entry exit plan and everything at the same time with live to discuss these things, please join my Discord community. You just have to pay $9 per month, become a Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's make some money together. The link for my Patreon should be in the first comment, also in the description box. So let's talk about SST. So first of all, if you look at the cost to borrow fee rate, it is 443%, which is very high. And also there is no shares available to short. Keep that in mind, okay? Now, if you go to Fintel, they're saying the short interest is 21.88%. Okay, it's not that high, but when I go in different forum and everything, I'm saying the same thing. As per Ortex, 21.8% short interest. Cost to borrow fee rate is 516%. It varies 400, 500, but anyway, very high, right? Also, like I was going some other posts on Reddit, and one of the thing I was looking at, okay, they had a nice revenue, 48% year-over-year growth, net income, everything is looking good. But look here, 438% short interest. So it was kind of, I was thinking, what's happening? 400 plus, and Ortex is saying only 21%. So thank you so much, Hood Money, because I was watching the video and I found something very interesting. So if you look at the SEC report for SST Trivia, right? And if you just open the 10K filing here, so if you go down here, you will see that the Trivia shareholders has only 703K, only 703 thousand 700,000 shares, right? Is not even million, and these are the founder shares and everything. So this is the actually free float. Now if you look here, the current short volume is like 2.82 million, right? So let's make a calculation. So if you divide 2.8 divided by 700 is 0.7 million, almost 4. So 400% short interest, right? So this, from that, it is coming at 400% short interest, like more than 400, right? So you can see a huge short interest, and you know how it moved, right? The previous day it moved almost 100%, and still it is holding. After hour it is looking really good. So I'm very pumped for this particular one. Look at the volume. Yesterday the volume was only 30 million, and today the market was bad, terrible, everything. So the volume was less, but it moved sideways. There was not a lot of selling. And why, when I talk about a lot of selling, it never came back all the way to 16. It was holding this particular area. So tomorrow, if we get more volume, 20 million, 30 million, or who knows, 50 million, 100 million, these thing will go like crazy. Okay, so keep that in mind. SST definitely should be on your watch list. In terms of the option chain activity, look at the next monthly option chain expiry date, which is 14th of April. 15 strike price, 17,000 open interest, 17.5 strike, 7,000. So these are now in the money, and if by 14th of April they are in the money, there will be exercise and there will be a lot of pressure on buying more shares. So keep that in mind. Looking very nice. I also see some 25 strike call option. If you want to play this, keep that in mind. The implied volatility is very high, so as long the share is not going up that much, is going sideways, you will lose all the money you are investing, or not investing, I should say, trading for this particular call option. So if you're playing, just get in, get out, that's it. Do not hold till the expiration. And if I go down, look at call versus put, so it's more on the call side. Okay, so let's look at the price action. So first of all, this is the line it has been holding since yesterday pre-market, 18.74 or 19. This is the area I'm looking as a support. Now if we want to go higher, we tried to break this 21 area today. Why? Because it was a support here, support here. In the morning we tried to break it, couldn't. Afternoon couldn't. So once we break 21, so currently we are 21.81, which is really good. So if we can break 21, I think next we will try to break this 22 area. After 22 we have 23, then we have 24, and after 24 really it will be a nice run up. It was halted few times, I think, the other day, but anyway, things are looking really nice. It is trying to make a nice recovery. So as long people know about this and more volume comes tomorrow, I'm so happy many YouTubers are also covering this, so maybe more people will know, and the Reddit forum, they're talking about it. So once more volume will come, I think this thing will go a lot. So I'm looking for 22, 23 and 24. After 24 area, I think this thing can run crazy again. Keep that in mind. A big caution whenever you are playing this, have a tight stop loss, or just use trail stop loss, because you never know, maybe you are running, it goes to 35, you buy at 35, then it's halted and then it comes down all the way to 21, you are down by 50%. So I don't want you to do that. It is always better to enter when it is at the low price. You have a stop loss, you enter now. If you are chasing, definitely there is more risk. In that case, you have to have a stop loss or a trail stop loss. Just do not go blindly buy and thinking it will go to the moon. Yes, it can go to the moon, you can make a lot of money, but you always have to have your risk management. Okay, I'm very happy with this particular stock the other day. Today even like 19 was our entry, and I know some people, they entered at 19, they rode all the way to 21, still 13% profit, right? Anyway, then we also had SBFM, which was one of the biggest trade for today. So anyway, if you like this kind of morning thing with entry, exit, profit plan with some note, and I also come 9 o'clock live to discuss the play, why I'm playing, what is the thing, those kind of thing, then consider joining my Patreon community. Again, the link will be there, just $9 per month. Join the community, let's make some money together. Also, if you like this particular video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, also join the community. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.